Hey guys, welcome to the channel SG Plants Hunter, and today I wanna show you one trick, guys. If I can get it closer to the camera, I got a aloe leaf and then got some plant leaf. I just carved it right now, and I saw the trick in the media. For you just plant them inside, make a hole, and be cut it also. Cut part of my like this. This I will be grow again, try to make new roots from there. And this one I will be use. I will be use uh, like our pod for this new plant. Just stick that inside. I will still use a little bit of root starter. I will pause it and go grab the uh, maybe some like a food plastic to cover this, stick nicely, and show you. Show you right now closer. You can see. Right? So we're back. Get my food plastic. This fell. Okay, go put it in. Oh, sorry, they fell off. Okay, I'm gonna hurt. I left over plastic. I think that's be enough, guys. Let me think. Will you let me know what do you think, guys? Okay. Oh, let them dry and grow for I don't know 3 weeks. 3 weeks, 4 weeks definitely should be some roots. And aloe will be dry in this end. And it will be nothing happened, and aloe also got a lot of juice inside the house. Should be, especially with the roots starter. I hope so they will grow. This will be so amazing if they grow new roots. Hey guys, subscribe if you wanna see some tricks like that. If not, also don't subscribe or subscribe. Do whatever you like with your life, guys. Bye bye. Hey guys, welcome. That's a part 2. I don't know how to name the video yet. Let me know how to name the video later. I cannot rename that. Let's go. I wanna grow this aloe. Cut a little bit this dry skin right here. So we'll be take us some. Oh, this spot. Phew, look at this spot. Ooh. Oh, okay, so we need a soil. I don't. Oh, I got a soil, guys. Look at it. We use just what is this? Uh, like some mix or plant. I think that's a lot of inside. Keep inside. There's dirty coconut. That that thing like a wire. Sorry, my English is really bad. And perlite. That's really like a starter. Think nothing like a special better guys. Just a regular soil. You can use pretty much any starter soil mix. You find it in any store around you. So I will use this one, whatever. Don't judge, okay? Okay, can I put in my aquarium salt water? Dig that a little bit and put it in my fruit starter. I think that's a lot. Sometimes too much, also bad for everything. Also, don't drink, don't do drugs, guys. Stay healthy and run or walking. You or do anything you can with your life. Okay, that's it. I will be place them like this. Also wait like a 3 weeks. The part two of that video. Sorry, I forgot about that. So let me know what you think. Oh, for this one, we should put the water, guys. Water really important part. Sun really important part. With that one, with aloe and this leaf, I be recommend put it in dark place, not dark place, like a medium place for that's be not over sun. So now for water start going from the bottom. Oh, can we put it in my bottom part over here? That's in the daytime. Really a lot of lights. They're all going outside windows. Oh, sorry guys. So this one we put it in the bottom. And guys, leave your comments for help me to do better video. That definitely helped me to do better video. And also subscribe, please, and be really appreciated. And also press the likes button and leave any comments, and that's really helped me and YouTube like algorithm uh, do something with my subscribers. Got like 120 or something or 200 subscribers. That's not that much. So I'm be thankful you for subscribe and put a like button. I appreciate you. And I give you a upgrade about these plants 3 weeks from now. What's going on if they start growing some roots. Okay. Bye bye.